Drive Time Show. Bam bam.
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam bam. Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
bam bam.
Bam bam. नमस्कार.
नमस्ते.
नमस्कारा.
वणक्कम.
खुशामदी.
सलाम अलैकुम.
सत श्री अकाल.
मेघांतरिकी वंदनम.
जय स्वामी नारायण.
जय श्री कृष्ण.
जय जनेन्द्र.
हमारे इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोल दे याली मदद.
मोलाली मदद बोलते हुए सारे फीजी बंदर बोलेंगे नीसा बोला बंदजान. हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारे. मैं से फालतू बाबा.
And of course, myself, फालतू रानी लेकर आपके लिए एक और ड्राइव टाइम शो that's gonna make it totally exciting and totally मस्तानी बंद जानी.
That's right, Bंदजान. And of course, आज का शो फालतू रानी. You want to tell बंदों what's going to be all about? Because we're going to have a healthy segment coming up in a few minutes. बंदजान, उसके बाद में what we're going to do फालतू रानी on Tuesday?
Well, Bandajan, here's what we're going to do. Today we're going to do something called Tandem Tuesdays.
Interesting.
यानी कि
Sounds very interesting फालतू रानी.
two timing Tuesdays.
Two timing Tuesdays.
मतलब अगर आप सोचे अरे गलत मत सोचिएगा बंदजान. ऐसे गाने जो ना सिर्फ पॉपुलर हुए हीरो के आवाज में शायद या हीरोइन की आवाज में, लेकिन एक और वर्जन उस गाने का है.
Oh wow.
उसी मूवी में होता है जनरली. And it is sung either by the heroine of the movie, or it'll be one of the the next generation or the previous generation. कुछ तो भी ऐसा होता है. Generally a tandem version of
मतलब
the song.
एक गाने का पुनर्जन्म.
एक गाने का पुनर्जन्म एंड जनरली थोड़े बहुत लिरिक्स अलग होते हैं उस गाने के.
वेरी गुड.
एंड ये जो है बंदजान, ये जो टैंडम हम लोग बता रहे हैं क्योंकि हाल ही में हमारा एक जनरली ऑन सैटरडेज वी हैव अ गेम शो दैट वी डू व्हिच इज कॉल्ड गीत माला. ओके, इट्स पार्ट ऑफ आवर महिमा's गीत गाता चल, जो ऑफ एयर वर्जन होता था जहाँ पे हम लोग इन पर्सन मिलते थे. उसका एक ऑनलाइन वर्जन होता है जहाँ पे लोग हमारे साथ यहाँ पे शामिल होते हैं. everybody logs in from their respective homes and we play this game. तो इस गेम में अंताक्षरी होता है, शब्दाक्षरी होता है, एक्टराक्षरी होता है, पता नहीं क्या क्या होता है. तो एक ऐसा गाना आया जहाँ पे हल्ला मच गया. इतना हल्ला मच गया कि आलतू बाबा को गुस्सा आ गया.
क्या?
हाँ, आलतू बाबा ने ठीक सुना दिया.
क्या सुना दिया?
हाँ, सभी को मालूम है. कंट्रोवर्सी खड़ा कर दिया हमारे आलतू बाबा ने, क्योंकि एक गाना क्योंकि लोगों ने गलती से मिस्टेक करके आलतू बाबा को बोल दिया कि ये गाना हो गया, लेकिन आलतू बाबा गा रहा था टैंडम वर्जन.
यस, एग्जैक्टली.
आलतू बाबा वो वर्जन नहीं गा रहा था.
यस,
वो टैंडम वर्जन गा रहा था. और लोगों को सुनने के लिए पेशेंस चाहिए ना,
लेकिन है नहीं ना लोगों के पास. सही बात है फातोड़ी, मैं मानता हूँ.
उस टाइम मेरे को आइडिया आया कि चलो यार टैंडम गाने करने चाहिए, क्योंकि हमारे बंदों को पता होना चाहिए कि एक गाने का सिर्फ एक वर्जन नहीं होता है, बहुत सारी मूवियों में दो वर्जन होते हैं. एंड सम ऑफ द सॉन्ग्स दैट वी थिंक आर लाइक, ओ माय गॉड व्हाट एन अमेजिंग मोहम्मद रफी सॉन्ग, द सेम सॉन्ग हैज आल्सो बीन रेंडर्ड बाय लता और आशा इन द सेम मूवी.
That's true, Bandajan. Very true.
There's many songs like that, Bandajan. We're not kidding. So one classic गाना which we totally dig. I mean, वैसे generally reprise versions होते हैं जहाँ पे reprise एक क्या कहते हैं, एक sad सा version होता है, या it'll be like something that is sung in retrospect kind of thing with different lyrics. लेकिन एक ऐसा गाना है जहाँ पे हीरोइन गाती है इस गाने को. आशा भोसले ने गाया है. किशोर कुमार का ओरिजिनल गाना.
किशोर कुमार का ओरिजिनल गाना आशा भोसले ने गाया. इम्पॉसिबल. क्या बात कर रही है? हाउ विल इट बी पॉसिबल?
बिल्कुल बंदजान. एंड मूवी में भी दिखाते हैं. मूवी का नाम ही है आशा. उसमें एक ऐसा गाना है कि वैजंती माला ने क्या डांस किया है, सुपर डांस किया है बंदजान, सुपर डांस किया है. एंड शी इज सो क्यूट, लेकिन नथिंग टू बीट द ओरिजिनल किशोर कुमार, द वे ही डांसेस. सो हियर यू गो, सुनिएगा ये गाना एंड एंजॉय कीजिएगा द टैंडम वर्जन. टुडे विल प्ले यू द टैंडम वर्जन्स ऑफ द ओरिजिनल गाना.
करेक्ट.
एंड अगर कोई सवालात है तो हम लोग जरूर पूछेंगे, एंड यू कैन ऑलवेज चाइम इन. लेकिन टुडे यू आर गोइंग टू टेक लुत्फ of the tandem गाना that we're going to play for.
Wow, Bandajan लुत्फ उठाएगा टैंडम गाने का. लीजिएगा पेश है आपके लिए पहला. तो are you going to ask our bandhus about tandem गाना? Will they know about the गाना at all? Are all these गाना from the same movie, Fadwani? I want to ask you the question seriously.
Of course they've got to be from the same movie, Alto Baba. Otherwise it's not a tandem गाना. It becomes a rejig गाना.
Oh.
Right? So if they remake the
Oh.
song or they rejig the song, that's different. I'm talking about in the same movie.
Uh-huh.
Generally in the same movie or in the same series.
So we can also put googlies to bandus, right? Whether the song has got tandem gana or not.
Huh?
Huh?
Eh?
Yeah. We can play a song, ask her whether there is another version of the Gana the same
Is
movie.
there another version of the Gana?
Hey, will the reprise version count as a tandem Gana?
TANDEM जो हम लोग बता रहे हैं बंधुजान tandem होता है the song that is in tandem with the original song but has slightly different lyrics.
So I'm asking you, will a reprise version of a song
Yeah.
count to be a tandem song?
Yes.
Oh my God, but Janto, Faltani,
Ah.
we should actually play a song which actually has, might have or might not have
Okay.
a tandem song, and ask Kabandhu whether the song has got a tandem song or not.
Okay. You're saying like put googlies out there?
Of course, come
But
on.
I'm going to start you off. Don't worry, Bantu. I'm going to give you a very, very nice, beautiful song. No questions for you at this point. क्योंकि at this point सवाल नहीं पूछेंगे आपसे क्योंकि शो लाजवाब है.
Yeah.
तो हम इसको लगाएंगे. इसके बाद we'll go to Health 360. Next hour में आपका दिमाग फिराएंगे.
हाँ?
हाँ.
Next time हम दिमाग फिराएंगे.
Tandem? No tandem? What tandem? Just do tandem.
Tadadadadam is what Faltani is saying. But so start calling in 4089 for your questions for the doctor. And Prerna is going to come on in a few minutes. But जाने के उससे पहले सुनते हैं ये गाना, which actually has a tandem song already to it, right, Faltani?
Right.
Let us go. वैसे इस गाने के लिए क्वेश्चन नहीं था ज्योति जी ऑन फेसबुक सेइंग दैट हमने तो पहले ही बता दिया था वेरी गुड लेकिन हम लोग आपको और थोड़ा गाने बताएंगे थोड़ी देर में एंजॉय कीजिएगा इस गाने को
दिल न लगाना दिल दे के पड़ेगा पछताना इस दुनिया में दिल न लगाना दिल दे के पड़ेगा पछताना ये रूप के पुजारी ये दिल लेने वाले पहले पहले होते हैं बड़े भोले भाले कलेजे को थाम पुकारेंगे नाम तू ही है तू ही है तू ही तो है वो ईना मीना डिका डायडमनिका माकाना कानाका Rika Rika Ina Mina Rika Rika Day Die Dominica Makanaka Makanaka Rika Rika Rola Rika Ram Pam Pom Ram Pam Pom मत भूलो है प्यार एक नाम उगलेगा जहर भरी आग ये दिल को जलाए ये शोलों पे सुनाए जो फूलों से उठाए तो कांटों में रुलाए कलेजे को थाम पुकारेगा नाम तू ही है तू ही है तू ही तो है वो ईना मीना डिका डायडमनिका माकाना कानाका Rika 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 Ina Mina Rika Rika Day Die Dominica Makanaka Makanaka Rika Rika Rola Rika Ram Pam Pom Ram Pam Pom Ram Pam Pom
of course, Bachchan, that was actually a wonderful song.
It was a completely tandem song.
Tandem.
Because lyrics are completely different. I
Yes.
got an idea what we're going to do.
What are you going to do?
What we'll ask our bandhus is if you can call in and give us the lyrics of the other tandem song of the same song.
Yeah.
At least 2 lines. What are different from the main thing? Generally hook same होता है.
हाँ.
ina meena ka dai damani ka जो आपने सुना.
बहुत मुश्किल होगा रे बहुत मुश्किल होगा.
हाँ, अगर आपको मालूम है, only music lovers will be able to call on this show.
Yeah, but Meenakshi is saying the Kishore Kumar song is more energy, he says.
यारे,
Yeah. And this
Exact-
question is quite
Yes.
flat, she's saying.
Yes. Well, it's not that it's flat. It's a different version because
No,
this she
sometimes-
performs on stage, right?
You know, sometimes I feel like, those days, right? When
Huh.
did this come out? Somewhere in the 50s, 60s?
Uh,
50s, 60s, like Asha's that time only, suppose.
Possibly,
You
yeah.
know, can you imagine? This could also be by design,
Huh?
the movie makers,
Huh?
cinema being a man's world,
Huh?
purposely make Kishore Kumar's version more damdar than the heroine version.
Oh my goodness! Why would you say that, man?
Why not? Possibly because in the movie also she is supposedly copying from him, not the other way around.
Yes, exactly.
So
And
she's copying from him. वो कहीं पे आती है, she listens to his performance. She's impressed with performance, but she does plagiarism directly.
no, but ho, that's not true. She's inspired and she changes the lyrics.
Ah, inspired, my dear. Inspired की बात करिए तू.
Huh?
Now we come to the point. Probably that time the filmmakers. Why couldn't the guy be inspired by the girl?
It could be,
Yeah, but it was not.
but most of the times it's like yeah.
What most of the time?
Most
Oh
of the
my
time the guys
God.
are supposed to be the shires.
Yeah, exactly. Why guys supposed to shire? Why only guys? Why can't the girls? See, we have an in-house shire here, Faltu Rani, right?
Yeah.
You don't believe that?
Yeah.
Oh my God, you don't believe that?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So now we have some bandhus who actually probably are really good and steeped in music.
Huh?
What do you have for them?
Well, Banujan, it is time for us to be heading into our Health 360 segment shortly, Banujan. So,
Yeah, but it's pehle. Why don't you play the dhamakedar song of our,
why would you want to do it? It's not dhamak. See, you know what? You should watch Meenakshi ji. You should watch both versions of the song.
Uh-huh.
There is a reason why this song is the way it is. Yes, you're right. Kishore Kumar's version is more damdar because you feel like because he goes crazy. He goes. The way he dances, the way in this, she's performing on stage and she's got a different take to the way she does it. Very little bit of dignity, sophistication. Kishore Kumar ka.
What? Excuse me, once again. What are you
Like-
trying to say? Kishore Kumar is not dignified?
No, he's not dignified in the song at all. Oh God, he's sitting watching this, and you should see him like enjoying the performance.
Yeah, that's fine. So, yeah, okay. This particular thing, he actually is. You're right about that. I can agree that he actually he is watching that performance.
Yes.
But in his performance,
Huh.
it's so nice and dignified, Faltani.
What is dignified? His performance is not dignified
Kishore-
by any standard. It's like total energy money.
What energy money? Energy bunny. But energy bunny is the right word. Yes, he is energy bunny.
Yeah, he's like energizer bunny Banujan. कैसे dance करता है? कैसे? I mean, really. अरे जो कोई करेगा इन्हें बुरी, वो तेरे तेरे मैं खुशी खुशी उसे ये दिल दे दूँगा.
See.
Like, see, that's why.
After so many years, you still remember those things.
Yeah,
That
because
is the beauty about Kishore Kumar.
excuse me.
Okay.
यही प्रॉब्लम है क्योंकि क्या करते हैं लोग एक वर्जन को बजा बजा के आपको पसंद आए या ना आए ठूस के आपको पसंद करा देंगे.
Now I want to ask you about Vati.
Huh.
Probably 1950s a song came out, right? Could it be because of the male-dominated society that only that particular song became famous?
Could be like nowadays, no, they'll play an Arijit Singh version and they'll play that again and again and again, whereas KK might have sung the same song in a reprise version.
Exactly. Now you get my point, Faltani.
You see what I'm saying? But
Yeah,
Bajan, it's a lot of politics. मोहम्मद रफ़ी का वर्जन बजा के लता मंगेशकर का आप भूल जाओगे या सुनोगे भी नहीं आपको याद भी नहीं रहेगा कि लता मंगेशकर ने ये गाना गाया था उस मूवी में.
That's true, Faltani. I totally agree with you on that.
Yep. So there are many songs like that, and that's what we're going to feature today on the Pam Pam Show, where we want you to take one breath.
Oh, one
That's
bet.
another.
I thought you were going to say, is what you would say.
No, because I'm trying to lead into our biohacking breathing now.
Oh, that's
Next
true.
segment that we have with Dr. Ronesh Sinha and Prerna Uppal who will be coming on in shortly, Banujan. They are going to be on. तो उस segment को lead in करने के लिए मैं बोल रही थी यार.
Very good. You already are on air, by the way.
Oh, sorry.
Hi, Dr. Sinha. Hi, Prerna. How are you doing?
Great, how are you?
We're doing
Good,
awesome. Just forget about us. We just keep arguing about stuff, which doesn't make sense many a times, and I wonder why we argue also.
Atu Baba, you should just take a breath sometimes. and let it out. Yes, exactly.
Yes, there you go.
So yeah, nice to have you back, Dr. Sinha and Prerna. Like a breath of fresh air when you come on.
Oh, thank you.
That's true. That's true. Hey, very interested. Today we're supposed to be having some demonstration of how we do breathing also, right? Prerna?
Yes, exactly.
Do we get to see that today?
That's
Yes,
what happened today.
Dr.
Yep.
Sinha introduces the science. We'll go into it.
There you go. And of course, Benjamin, if you have any questions for today's show, all you got to do is give us a call here on the number 408-912-2479. It's right there on the screen, but right down here. It's 408-912-2479. You can call us over here. And make sure you call us ahead of time. I'll be screening your calls for sure, but don't call towards the end of the segment. Tab tak to bahut mushkil ho jayega to squeeze in the questions. But yeah, we generally will send out emails to Dr. Sinha and disturbing him and saying, "Sir, Dr. Sinha, you got to answer the question for next time." So he does, so nice of him. So let's jump into it. So we're talking about the breathing hacks, right, Dr. Sinha? Could you explain further?
Yeah, so at a high level, just wanted to emphasize that now with all the anxiety that we're facing around COVID-19, all the things that happened with the racial, issues that had happened recently, emotionally, a lot of us are twirling, quite a bit. And, I've had a lot of patients that have reached out to me that are really having trouble with their blood pressure. They're feeling very suffocated. They're breathing in the upper chest. And this can have real manifestations on our overall health, physical and mental. So aside from anxiety and depression, blood pressure can go up, inflammation markers can go up. And now with our COVID-19 pandemic, we want to make sure that we keep inflammation levels low, and we want to make sure that we're able to breathe properly because COVID-19 can target the lungs. So aside from exercise, which we talked about in the past few shows, today I wanted, Prerna to absolutely demo a few of the very specific exercises that can help us calm our nerves, lower inflammation. And if you do this the right way, if you do it during activity, while you're doing chores at home, you can actually improve your aerobic fitness. And aerobic fitness is essential. Today I had patients again in the clinic, and with every single one of them, I'm asking them how often you're walking, what is your intensity of exercise. We want to make sure we're going to get aerobically fit over the next several weeks because we're already seeing the COVID-19 numbers going up. In the fall, there's a good chance of there being a higher spike. And one of the best ways to prevent a complication is to make sure we're aerobically fit while simultaneously keeping inflammation levels low. And breathing is one of the most effective ways to hit both those stones at one time.
Very good. So, of course, if you have any questions regarding this, Benjamin, give us a call here on the phone number 408-912-2479 408-912-2479.
So, Bandajan, we are in conversation with Dr. Ronnie Sinha and Prerna Uppal. We talked about it a little bit last week as well. But just for the benefit of those of you who were not able to join us last week, I'm going to ask Dr. Sinha to expand a little bit about what he means by biohacking breathing. So, Dr. Sinha, there's a term that you use called oxygen fasting. What is that, Dr.
Right.
Sinha? Could you elucidate upon that?
Absolutely. So it's a way that we can train our lungs by limiting the amount of oxygen that we're breathing in while we do activities and exercise. So one simple hack that's why I call it biohacking, is we can actually wear a medical mask while we're doing house chores or going for a vigorous walk.
Oh.
Because even though that might feel suffocating in the beginning, as your lungs adapt to that sort of breath restriction, they will get stronger. And all of a sudden you'll find that you don't even realize you're wearing your medical mask. So that's a simple hack that you can do. The other thing you can do if you don't want to exercise with your mask on is to just breathe through your nose while you're exercising. Do nasal breathing only. That's another way to sort of mimic that low oxygen environment so your lungs can benefit and your red blood cell counts can go up with that as well too. So those are the simple hacks that you can basically implement while we do this.
So, Dr. Sinha, I have a follow-up question to that. Isn't carbon, if you're going to wear a mask, aren't you going to be breathing in carbon dioxide if you're going to, wear that in exercise? I don't know. Am I right?
Yeah. So I know what you're saying. So you're basically saying that, we're kind of rebreathing. So a lot of times when people have panic attacks, they might breathe in a paper bag to inhale that carbon dioxide. And you're right, you might be taking in some of that carbon dioxide. It's not necessarily a bad thing because when your carbon dioxide levels go up a little bit in the blood, it helps the body release more oxygen to the tissues. So in small amounts, having a little bit of extra carbon dioxide is not a bad thing. It can actually improve energy levels too. So I would not worry too much about that as being a side effect. But do it in small doses. For some people that have different levels of tolerance. For some people, putting anything over their mouth is going to feel suffocating. So maybe start off just doing nasal breathing or just do it for a minute or two and see if you can improve your tolerance to a low oxygen environment. Because this is exactly what COVID does. It tries to limit your oxygen capacity. And if you can get comfortable in that environment already, God forbid, if you had the infection, you'll be able to tolerate that much better.
So, Dr. Sinha, we got a question on Facebook from one of our bandhus. Can I jump into that really quickly, please? It's
Sure,
about something
yeah.
that you covered last week. He says on your last week's show, you talked about mouth taping, and he has apparently tried that. He says his snoring has come down. This is the same person who had talked about sleep apnea, I
Yeah.
think. And he says the snoring has come down, but he does wake up with a headache. Is that common? Is what he wants to know. Is that something to be
Good
concerned about?
question. So what happens initially is if you're not familiar with mouth taping, when you go to my blog, there's a free ebook that I did on sleep and fatigue. It talks all about mouth taping. But literally what mouth taping is you tape your mouth while you're sleeping, so you breathe mostly through your nose, and it can actually help improve oxygenation as your body adapts to it. In the beginning, because people aren't used to it, they might wake up a little bit with a headache. And sometimes it's actually a good thing because they're actually sleeping more deeply than they did before, and they might wake up with sort of an adaptive headache is what we call it. But if that's continuing and persisting, then it is something you need to talk to your doctor about to make sure there's nothing else going on. But initially, sometimes we might see a little bit of a mild headache with that.
And I hope that answered your question, Satish. We have another question coming from one of our bandhus, Madhu Valiaji, and she has a question about turmeric and milk that she takes, and she's also wondering that she takes that every single day, haldi and milk, and she wanted to know she also takes 81 mg of aspirin in the mornings. Is it okay to do that together?
So for the golden milk, I'll have Prerna answer that. For the aspirin, go to my blog and put aspirin in the field. I did a very detailed blog post on aspirin. There's multiple things we have to consider when we're thinking about aspirin. But to answer your question, in the old days would say everybody should take aspirin. That's no longer the case. There's some specific parameters that we put around that. But Prerna, can you talk about golden milk or turmeric milk and its benefits or what your thoughts are?
Absolutely. So golden milk is actually an Ayurvedic remedy, and it's supposed to induce good quality sleep. The milk contains an amino acid called tryptophan, which converts into serotonin, dopamine, and that sort of induces the sleep effect. Adding turmeric to it gives us the benefits of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory agents, antibacterial, antiviral. What I would suggest is add a pinch of black pepper to it, because the bioavailability of turmeric increases 2000% when it is combined with black pepper. But it's a fabulous Ayurvedic drink to have at bedtime.
So, Bandhujan, we're in conversation with Dr. Ronnie Sinha and Prerna Uppal from the Palo Alto Medical Foundation. They're part of the Sutta Health Group, Bandhujan, and today we're talking about biohacking, breathing, and oxygen fasting. But some of your questions are coming on Facebook, and we are asking the doctors about it. So, Dr. Sinha, Prerna, either one of you can take this. I am asking a follow-up question to what Madhuji asked. I was given to understand that iron, suppose somebody's taking iron, not to have milk along with iron because it reduces the absorption of iron or something into the body. I am not sure, but I was told. So I think that's what Madhuji is also referring to when she asks, is it okay to take it with milk? I mean, to take her aspirin with milk, or is there anything like a do or a don't with regard to that?
So Prerna can talk about calcium and iron, but with the aspirin, there's no interaction, right? Aspirin's not iron, so there's no issues with that. But Prerna, do you want to talk about ways that we can improve bioavailability of iron and the calcium interaction as well?
Absolutely. So it's true that iron and calcium compete for the same site of absorption. So when you combine them, yes, you are going to interfere with iron absorption. I would not take your iron or multivitamin supplement with milk. Better for you to have it with water or with some vitamin C drink, for instance. I would recommend that you do it with a glass of water and squeeze a lemon in it and use that to have your iron supplement, because vitamin C enhances iron bioavailability.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for answering that. Sorry, I just had that question pop up.
No, it's a great question.
So, let's go into today's theme and today's topic. So, you talk about deep diaphragmatic breathing, Dr. Sinha. How do we do this deep diaphragmatic breathing. I think it's time for us to go into our demonstration segment on the show.
That's true.
Sounds good. So I'm gonna have Prerna explain it, but let me just explain the science. When we can breathe into that diaphragm, we activate the parasympathetic system, which can lower blood pressure, lower heart rate, improve digestion, and help us focus more clearly. So your goal is whenever you become overwhelmed, whether it's the news, whether it's work, whether it's your sibling, whatever the case is, you want to induce these sorts of breathing activities to lower that tension level. Now, I know a lot of our bandhus may not be watching this, so Prerna is going to talk you through this, and I'll add any additional instructions or tips. But Prerna, maybe you can start off with the diaphragmatic breathing exercise and take people through this.
Yes. So starting with the deep diaphragmatic breathing, very often we do take very shallow breaths, especially when we're stressed. We call it hyperventilation. We're not taking those deep breaths, which are very important to stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system and calm us down. So for that, if you put your hand on your belly, you want to be inflating it like a balloon when you take a deep breath. All right. So I know this is not, you can't see us completely, but what you do is you keep your hand on your belly and to actually see your belly come out when you breathe in, and you see your belly contract when you breathe out. Okay?
Right.
So here I'm going to take a deep breath and I'm going to push my belly out. And as you breathe out, your belly actually contracts. So that is your deep diaphragmatic breathing. That's how babies breathe. So if you see a sleeping baby, you see their belly. It's the belly breath. You see their belly going up and down. That's the kind of breathing we want to do for deep diaphragmatic breathing.
Okay.
Now, there's a couple pranayam exercises. And for all of those exercises, make sure you're doing that deep diaphragmatic breathing to do any kind of breathing exercise. All right?
Right.
So one of them is Dr. Sinha has mentioned these in his blog post. There's Anulom Vilom, or also known as the alternate nostril breathing. So we'll talk about, I'm going to demo that first. And then the Brahmari, which is the humming bee pranayam exercise. Again, both of them stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system. They bring about tranquility. They calm you. They're great for stress reduction. Alternate nostril breathing is also known to help cough disorders. So, in keeping with Dr. Ron's recommendations for just helping us during COVID, these are great exercises. So with the alternate nostril breathing, so what you want to do is you're breathing in, your in-breath goes in from one nostril and the out-breath goes in from the other nostril. And you're going to use your thumb, place your thumb on the first nostril, and your last two fingers will go on the second nostril. Sometimes people will place the middle two fingers on the forehead, but you don't need to do that. So now I'm closing my left nostril and I'm going to breathe in from my right nostril, taking that deep diaphragmatic in-breath. You go very slow and breathe in and feel that belly go out. You go, close the right nostril, and now release the out breath through the left nostril. Now breathe in from the left nostril. Close that left nostril and the out breath from your right nostril. That is one round of Anulom Vilom, or the alternate nostril breathing, and you want to do several rounds of that. But again, the key here is that you're taking that deep diaphragmatic breath. So you should be feeling your belly sort of extending out and then contracting with each of those breaths.
So,
Hey, I wanted to also add with that breath, I'm seeing a lot of people with allergies now, and that breathing, the mouth taping, the nasal breathing, and that exercise that Prerna did can really help with nasal congestion and sneezing and all these allergy symptoms too. So sorry, continue.
so no, the question I had, sorry. Go ahead, Prerna. Finish your
The
thought.
thing about this exercise is it harmonizes your left and right hemispheres of the brain. And as Dr. Sinha said, it will open up the nostril, the nasal passage that is closed, the longer you continue to do this. Go ahead.
Wonderful. So, question was: is there a certain, there's some people who say that there's got to be some breathing notes and numbers. Some people say like you got to have 4, 5, 6, all those numbers. I don't know how that is, but how does it work with Anulom Vilom? Is there like a number of counts which you breathe in and counts you breathe out? Is there something that way in this, or?
So, it's usually an equal count.
Okay.
So there is something called the 4-7-8 breathing, where you breathe in for a count of 4, hold for a count of 7, and breathe out for a count of 8.
Wow.
But for Anulom Vilom, you can pretty much just do it 1:1. It's equal, and it really depends on your breath control. Some
Yeah.
people take a slow, long breath, and the more conditioned your lungs are, you will be able to take a very slow, prolonged breath, hold it for a couple seconds, and then release the breath. So again, with practice, you'd be able to do that. Some people do it very fast. Other people choose to do it in a slow way. So it really
Yeah.
is.
So, Dr.
That's
Sinha,
very impressive.
Dr. Sinha, you
Yeah.
talked about the importance of exercise, physical exercise, physical activity. So, and you said that even if you do once a day, it's good to do it. But in this case of this, the pranayama breathing, what you talked about, is there how many times you do it in a day? Does it matter, or is it okay if you do it in the morning, or should we do it in the evening? What do you suggest? What is the science behind that?
Well, I'll tell you personally, for me, I definitely do a round in the morning and I do it again in the evening as a calming exercise. So I think that works great for me. Some people might just do in the morning or evening as a relaxant. They're more vigorous pranayama type exercises. And sometimes I don't like doing those in the evening because they can be too activating. I like to do the more vigorous ones like Bhastrika in the morning to sort of wake me up. But Prerna, what's your ritual or recommendation?
Exactly. Because they have a calming effect, you could do this at bedtime or start your day with it. But there's Kapalbhati, which is the very rapid breathing, and I wouldn't do that at bedtime because, like Dr. Ron said, that is actually going to start stimulating you,
Wow.
and so you don't want to do that.
And of course, Benjamin, if you want more information about this, I've also posted the website, the blog post which Dr. Sinha is talking about on the video right here. So if you actually listen to the radio, you say, oh, I missed out what she talked about, and you want to go see how the demonstration is going on. There is a video which actually which clearly depicts how to do the deep belly breathing part of it. Go to Radio D Hotties page on Facebook, facebook.com/Radio D Hotties. The videos are available for you guys on demand, and you can actually check out how it's done. So go to radiodhotties.com, or you can go to facebook.com/Radio D Hotties to find the page.
So, is there a certain number of, is there a duration for which you should do the pranayam, Dr. Sinha? Or Prerna?
So typically, however many rounds you do. So for me, I will do probably between 6 to 8 rounds of that exercise. Sometimes a little bit more, sometimes a little bit less. But I would say, in my experience, a minimum of 5 to 6 rounds. Prerna, do you have a recommendation?
Yeah, so the total amount of time for pranayama, most people will spend about 15-20 minutes in the morning doing it. So you could do some Brahmari, which is the next one that I'm going to demonstrate. You can do Kapalbhati, you can do alternate nostril breathing, and like Dr. Ron said, you could do 6 to 8 rounds of all 3 of them, and go for about 15 minutes.
20 minutes, wow, okay.
Yeah.
We got to get there, Valtwadi, we got to get there.
Yeah, whatever you start with will be helpful. There's some mornings I'll do 5 to 7 minutes and it still calms you. So start slow if 20 sounds too difficult for you right now.
That sounds good. So we got to learn one more pranayam technique?
Yes,
Okay.
so this one's called Brahmari. Again, very, very calming. And I demo this for my patients when they come in to see me, and they instantly will all report that they just feel really calm as soon as they've done it. So for this, again, you're going to take a deep diaphragmatic breath. So you're going to feel that stomach go out, and then as you breathe out, your stomach is going to contract and go in just like a balloon. And here's how the Brahmari is done. In sort of the yogic way of doing it is you close your eardrums with your thumb, and then you close your eyes with all your fingers, all right? And so now you take that deep breath in, and make sure you're doing the deep diaphragmatic breath. So you take that deep breath in, and as you're breathing out, your mouth is closed, but you're humming like a bee and releasing the out breath. So let's start with the in breath. And breathe out. So that is how you're going to do the primary.
And this again, how many times? 4 or 5 times, like how Dr. Sinha's talked about?
Absolutely, 5 to 8 times. And this one at bedtime, I kid you not, has such an amazing calming effect that just doing 5 to 6 rounds of this at bedtime induces amazing deep sleep.
So I got to add something. This is really not even a myth. The science has shown that nasal humming and doing that exercise can increase the release of a chemical called nitric oxide inside your nose. Nitric oxide is the most powerful chemical to actually relax your blood vessels, lower blood pressure. And it's been shown in studies that it can potentially kill COVID-19. It can actually lower the amounts of COVID-19 in your nose.
Wow.
Our nose is a very common gateway for COVID-19. So I've actually done this exercise if I've been in an environment where maybe there's more people than I'm comfortable with. Sometimes I come back to the clinic, I'm in the car, and I'll do 6 to 8 rounds of that. So it has incredible benefits regardless of COVID-19, but it looks like there might be an additional benefit of nasal humming. So when you go to my blog post, I talk about the science and I reference the links, but this probably is one of the most important pranayama exercises you can do. So thanks, Aparna, for demoing it.
Sure, and I agree with Dr. Ron. And keep in mind, you do not have to close your eyes and eardrums. So like Dr. Ron says, sometimes while driving home, if you choose to do this, just take that deep breath in and release it while you're humming.
Yeah, and hum your favorite Bollywood tunes. Just humming itself can be really useful, even without doing pranayama.
No wonder she keep humming. Listen to our radio, start humming tunes.
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly right. Yeah.
Exactly. Well, Prerna and Dr. Sinha, thank you so much. Prerna, thank you for that demo today. And of course, Banajan, if you want to learn more about what Prerna ji just talked about, you can go to Dr. Sinha's blog, which is culturalhealthsolutions.com or southasianhealthsolution.org. You can go to that. Alternatively, you can also make an appointment to meet with them. Prerna also teaches classes, so you can actually, she does also on Zoom. You can go to pamf.org/South Asian and get more information from there to make an appointment by making an appointment with Dr. Sinha or Prerna. Thank you so much for joining us yet again today. We'll look forward to learning more from you next week right here on the show. In the meanwhile, have a healthy, happy, safe rest of the week.
Thanks very much. Bye-bye.
Thanks.
Thank you. And of course, Banajan, again, southasianhealthsolution.org. And Dr. Sinha, I don't know how many of you follow him on Instagram, right, Altu Baba? Every time I feel when I turn on my Instagram or my notifications on Instagram, for some reason, I suddenly get guilt-tripped into becoming a little more active, because Dr. Sinha there'll be some post where he's actually practicing every single one of these things that he's sharing with us, right? So it'll be like, oh, he's sitting in Ardha Padmasana, or he's sitting in full Padmasana, and he's like, I'm doing this while I'm writing up my blog post. I'm doing this while I'm doing...
And we're doing squats.
Yeah, and we're doing squat, and he's doing squats. Seriously, you can follow him. Banajan, it's Ronesh Sinha MD on Instagram. You can actually follow him over there, or you can go to his blog, culturalhealthsolutions.com.
And don't go anywhere. Keep it right here. We're going back after a quick, small break. You are listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations. The views and opinions expressed by the hosts, guests, or callers of this show do not necessarily reflect those of the staff or management of Radio D Hotties. The content broadcast on this show is meant for informational and entertainment purposes only. Top of the morning, Bay, with Good Morning Bay.
Get to know about the traffic on your way and what's news around the world today.
Some wisdom skills along the way.
Oh, and a song to hum along with and sway.
Get your perfect entertaining start to the day.
At 9 a.m. every weekday morning with
Mahima's
Good Morning Bay. Pam Pam Mandajan.
मीडिया महिमा की ओर से मैं हूँ आल्तुबा.
And मैं Faltu Rani. Don't forget to tune in to the Pam Pam Show at 5 today.
On today's Pam Pam Show, we will be sharing with you some important news about things you need to know, debating on hot topic of the socio-economic status of the Desi diaspora, interspersed with some light Bollywood music and interview talk segments.
Seriously?
Just non-stop fun and all-out entertainment.
You got me there. Relax, Bandus. It's going to be a whole lot of fun.
And information, boleto, total fun information.
So remember, every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday.
get your Pam Pam fix.
Right here on Radio D Hotties, 1310 AM, 92.9 FM, starting at 5.
Come alive. Radio D Hotties, the best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations.
Proudly present Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam Bam!
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam Bam! Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
Bam Bam!
नमस्कार.
Namaste.
नमस्कारा.
Vanakkam.
खुश आमदी.
Assalamu alaikum.
सत श्री अकाल.
మీకు అందరికీ వందనము.
जय स्वामी नारायण.
जय श्री कृष्ण.
जय जनेन्द्र.
हमारे इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोल दे या अली मदद.
मौलानी मदद बोलते हुए सारे फीजी मंदिर में बोलेंगे ईसा बोला बटजन. हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारे. मैं सिर्फ फालतू बाबा.
And of course, myself Faltu Rani लेकर आपके लिए एक और drive time that's gonna make it totally exciting and totally मस्तानी बंदू जाने. And हम आपको बता दें कि thank you to every single bandu who's watching us on Facebook and who's sending us love. Thank you for all those kind comments, and nice to see you joining us, Madhuji, Meenakshi ji, who else? Jyoti ji, Suzanne, thank you. Blakey, hi, Pam Pam to you. And all our darling Jyoti Arora ji, Surendra Kashyap ji, I'm just going to run out of time calling out everybody's
if you
name.
just go on and just check out on Facebook, facebook.com/Radio Hotties and you can always say hello to everybody out there. And of course, all the people actually on Facebook and also listen to us on the radio right now. Yeah, we haven't ignored you. हमें मालूम है आप लोग रास्ते पे हो, जा रहे हो घर के लिए. And you're wondering, oh my God, what's happening? They're talking about so much of video elements of the whole thing. Well, go back home and you can actually log in and see. It's on demand for you guys, absolutely free.
Exactly.
And look up Tandem Tuesdays on on Facebook. In fact, guess what? If you don't have Facebook, doesn't matter. We also have a YouTube channel, Radio D Hotties, where all the shows actually get uploaded there for sure. Go check it out. It's actually Radio D Hotties on YouTube. Simple. Go to YouTube and just type Radio D Hotties. Subscribe for sure and like the pages and like the videos you liked. Okay. Fadani, today's show is supposed to be Tandem Tuesdays.
Right.
So are we going to do something are we going to tandem or are we going to tandem things?
Yeah.
Something similar to that, right?
Well, Manajan, for those of you who don't know, Altu, तू समझा अभी हमारे बंदों को कि tandem का मतलब क्या है?
Balajan, tandem का मतलब क्या होता है? Tandem, technical meaning of tandem. To be talking in terms of...
I know.
Hey, Faltari, what is it? Let me do my presentation the way I do it, okay?
Okay.
Tandem, Balajan, means something similar. Right? Something similar. So if you look at it in terms of dictionary, with two or more horses harnessed one behind another. That's an adverb. Adjective, having two things arranged one in front of the other. That's tandem. Pretty much one मतलब एक गाना एक फिल्म आता है again उसी फिल्म में वही गाना फिर से वापस आता है.
Exactly. Tandem बोले तो
excuse me, I am saying I'm talking
अच्छा ठीक है.
Let me explain the way I explain this. The point is एक फिल्म में अगर गाना है उसी फिल्म में वही गाना फिर से आएगा with a different look, different take.
Exactly. Slightly different take.
Oh my God! So what was different from what I said, Fatwani?
जैसे हमारे ईरा मीनाडिका के साथ हमने चालू किया ना,
Wait.
मीनाक्षी जी कह रही
Answer
थी
my question.
हाँ
Answer my question.
हाँ
What was different from what I said?
You said different take, I said slightly different take. A big difference.
So she's in tandem to what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Did that right? I did that a little bit different. That's all.
Yes.
Well, but that's the whole thing, okay? Now, Veena Minatika को हमने last hour and play कर दिया.
हाँ.
Now, today also what you're going to do is you're going to play some songs. You're going to ask you whether the song has got a tandem song to it.
हाँ.
How about that, Faltwani?
Well, yes, that's absolutely right. So Altibaba is going to play you a song, Baljan, and he's going to ask you कि is there a song that is a tandem version of this particular गाना? क्या आप बता सकते हो कि आगे पीछे ऊपर नीचे कुछ ना कुछ डिफरेंस है गाने में. क्या डिफरेंस है आपको बताना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे कॉल करके 408-912-2479. एंड ज्योति जी थैंक यू, आपने लिरिक्स लिखा था फेसबुक पे.
Oh, really?
लेकिन फेसबुक पे जो लिखते हैं और गैस करते हैं उनको गैस्ट्रिक ट्रबल होता है.
Yes.
तो हमें यहाँ पे कॉल करना है
Yes.
ताकि आपका हमें भी थोड़ा
Because
रिलीफ
gas
मिले.
problem, gas problem.
हाँ तो रिलीफ मिलेगा ना, राहत मिलेगी ना आपको.
Yes. For release, please call here 408-912-2479.
What we mean is of your creativity,
Yes.
of your knowledge of that particular thing. आप यहाँ पे call कर सकते हैं. These are the songs that kind of appear 2 times.
Yeah.
But they're 2 timing.
So, Faltwani, somebody's saying they can't hear you.
Why, man?
They can't hear Faltwani.
Why can't they hear Faltu?
Probably they just don't want to hear you, I suppose.
What, man?
You're not talking properly in your mic.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
I think Anand Sharma is saying can't hear Faltwani, he's saying.
क्या?
Yeah.
Can't hear or can't see?
Can't hear. Can't see probably because you're on the ground, your basement, right?
I'm sitting
आज उसने
down.
heels नहीं पहना Anna जी.
नहीं, मैं बैठी हुई हूँ.
Banujan, sorry, she's not wearing heels today, so actual height आ रही है. But doesn't matter, Faltwani. So, what
Why
do you-
is she not able to hear me,
I
Altibaba?
have no
Banujan,
idea.
are you able to hear me? For those of you who can't hear me, I can hear myself loud and clear.
You can hear yourself, Faltwani, but the point is, are they able to hear you?
Ah, good question.
That's important, right?
हाँ.
And of course, Banujan, I'm going to play a song.
हाँ.
You got to tell me if there's actually a tandem song of this particular song.
Eh?
Okay?
हाँ.
This song is sung by Papon.
Ah.
Right? You got to tell me who was the tandem singer. Oh no! First of all, you got to tell if at all there is a tandem song to this. What did I give it out?
Yeah.
No, I didn't give it out. Number to call you 408-912-2479. Kausar Mani lyrics में और प्रीतम दा का ये composition for the movie बजरंगी भाईजान. ये गाना जो है क्या इसका एक tandem version भी है? If yes, give us a call here 408-912-2479. I think Anand ji put you on mute actually. That's why.
अच्छा.
आशियाना तेरा साथ मेरे है ना ढूंढते तेरी गली मुझको घर मिला आबोदाना तेरा हाथ मेरे है ना ढूंढते तेरा खुदा मुझको रब मिला तू जो मिला हो गया मैं काबिल तू जो मिला तो हो गया सब हासिल हाँ, तू जो मिला आसा हुई मुश्किल क्योंकि तू धड़कन
बलजान, what do you think? क्या इस गाने का एक टैंडम वर्जन है? है तो कॉल कीजिएगा 408-912-2479. नहीं है तो भी कॉल कीजिएगा 408-912-2479. देखिएगा हमारे नंबर में कोई टैंडम नहीं है, एक ही नंबर है. लगातार कॉल कीजिएगा 408-912-2479. 4089122479. Faltwani, do you think there's a tandem song of this song?
There is a tandem version of the song which I totally love, Bandhujan, and it's one of my favorite singers, and I think he is one of the most underrated singers in Bollywood. Unfortunately, इनके इतने सारे गाने नहीं आए हैं. मतलब don't receive a lot of play, but he is one of the most talented singers in Bollywood. Who is this person that we're talking about? आपको कॉल करना
Hey,
है?
hello. First and foremost, my question was: is there any particular? Is that?
There
Oh
is.
my
I
God.
told there is a version of this.
Why would you ruin the whole question, Faltwani?
क्यों रे?
I was going to ask people a googly question. You totally messed it up for me.
That was a googly.
You know what, Faltwani? Let's talk about the tandem song and play the song. It's fine.
No,
I have a different question for about this.
अच्छा, he got another song lined up. गूगल मार दिया आलतू ने। वेसेंट फेलो है।
गूगल मारने की जरूरत नहीं है, फालतू नहीं, हमें सब मालूम है।
चलो ठीक है, जल्दी जल्दी कॉल करिएगा बनुजन। आपको यहाँ पे कॉल करना है 4089122479 पे। वी आर आस्किंग यू टुडे कि डू यू नो इफ देयर इज द अ डिफरेंट वर्जन ऑफ द सेम सॉन्ग। यू हर्ड वन वर्जन व्हिच वाज sung by Papon. Is there another version that is sung?
क्या यार सच्ची में क्वेश्चन पेपर देके फिर से वही क्वेश्चन पूछने वाली है तू?
क्या क्वेश्चन पेपर देके? क्वेश्चन पेपर
सॉरी,
देखिए,
क्वेश्चन पेपर देके आंसर देके फिर से क्वेश्चन
मैंने कोई आंसर नहीं दिया। रैंडम फेलो।
या आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड देम।
I didn't tell him nothing. क्या बात कर रहा है?
You didn't
Seriously?
tell them nothing.
I didn't tell them anything. क्या यार बनुजान, seriously? 4089122479 लाइन चालू है ना?
अरे
देखना।
फालतू नहीं, चालू नहीं तो क्या हुआ? मतलब फेसबुक पे पोस्ट कर सकते हैं।
Huh?
People can post on Facebook also.
No, we want the answers on.
Oh yeah, we want on it. So call कीजिएगा 4089122479. I have no idea the phone is चालू, not फालतू नहीं. Unless it is Bandhu's callers, how will we know this?
Call करो ना 408912247. Not call करो ना. I'm saying करो, Karo.
Oh my God, Faltani, you're so much very good, Faltani. I'm very impressed.
Yeah.
So Faltu,
Huh.
so what are you trying to do? What's the next song? You have something ready for us?
Yeah, I have another tandem song that, during that zamana, there were a lot of songs that were
Tandem songs.
tandem. Yeah.
Yeah. Why?
Which were, the songs that were, what do you call, that had a different version, completely different version. यानी कि जैसे आपने इना मिना डिका का सुना, right? That was a very happy song, right? She's
Yeah.
also complaining about the opposite sex. He's complaining about the opposite sex. Lyrics are totally different. In this, she's saying that men will promise you all this thing और कहेंगे कि यही है, तू ही है, that kind of thing. And then he's saying, ina minadika, whatever, he's talking about the girls, that you have to meet all these shartein before we we say यही है वो. So एक ऐसा गाना है जो तलत महमूद की आवाज में बहुत फेमस हो गया, बहुत सैड सॉन्ग है. This, I think it is Talat Mahmood only who sang the.
So, but is there a reprised version? So, is there a different version to it?
There's a different version of it that was sung by Lata Mangeshkar.
Wow.
Yeah, it's a oldish song, Bhajan, old song.
Oldish song.
It is
It's a oldish song,
a
Bhajan.
beautiful song, Bhajan. Shankar Jaikishan का music है. So here you go, सुनिएगा. It's a lovely number that Lata ji has sung. I don't think this has been played often enough. Here you go.
ढूंढ ले अब कोई घर नया है मेरे दिल कहीं और गम की दुनिया से दिल भर गया ढूंढ ले अब कोई घर नया है मेरे दिल कहीं और चल जहाँ गम के मारे न हो झूठी आशा के तारे न हो चल जहाँ गम के मारे न हो झूठी आशा के तारे न हो झूठी आशा के तारे न हो इन बहारों से क्या फायदा जिसमें दिल की कली जल गई जख्म फिर से हरा हो गया है मेरे दिल कहीं और चार आंसू कोई रो दिया फिर के मुंह कोई चल दिया चार आंसू कोई रो दिया फिर के मुंह कोई चल दिया फिर के मुंह कोई चल दिया लुट रहा था किसी का जहां देखती रह गई ये ज़मीन चुप रहा बेरहम आसमां है मेरे दिल कहीं और
Shukriya, Balanjan. I'm going to call you up 408912247. Faltani, we have on the waiting line.
Hello, Pam Pam, कौन है जी?
Hello, welcome to Tandem Tuesdays. Who's this? Hello.
Hello.
आपका नाम? Hello, who's this?
टैंडम ट्यूजडेज में आपका स्वागत है. कौन है जी? नहीं, आलतू बाबा, मेरे को लगता है ये तुम्हारी कोई माशुका है.
तो love you too. Very good, very good.
तो ये गाना एक्चुअली 1952 में रिलीज हुआ था, राइट?
90.
Yeah, this song, if you remember, Banijan, this is actually a Talat Mahmood song.
Uh-huh.
A very, very heart-rending. Nobody would have thought that there's a tandem version of this particular song. एक sad song का और भी sad version.
Yeah, और भी sad version नहीं Faltani. Both more sad versions.
No, the sad song का sadder version. I
Oh
mean,
my-
मतलब, you know, it's like,
How can something be sad and how can it be sadder? Yeah,
Yeah.
it's true.
yeah, in this she's crying. Nimmi, the actress, is like full आंखों से आंसू आ रहा है. मतलब she's singing this particular song and it's so sad. And it's, look at there's no music, there's hardly anything. There's so much focus on the lyrics and the gaiki, right? So, I mean, these were happening in those days itself, Panjan.
That's true.
Where I mean, it also talked about the beautiful penmanship of, not penmanship, what do you call the writing? Shailendra ji ki lyrics the. Usme ek aur they write a male version of the lyrics.
Correct.
And in this they'll write a female version of the lyrics. It
Uh-huh.
requires a lot of talent, yeah.
I totally agree.
To be
with
able to
Faltani.
put this together. So, this is one example of a tandem song. पहले तो हमने एक बहुत happy upbeat वाला गाना लगाया. ये तो पूरा रोद्दू गाना लगा
But
दिया.
don't worry, अभी अगला आज जो पेश करने वाला है is a question. Don't answer this question. Do not answer the question. The question I have is Bandujan is whether इस गाने के लिए कोई tandem गाना है या नहीं. Are you ready for Faltani?
I am always ready.
Bandujan आप बोलिएगा क्या इस गाने के लिए
हाँ.
एक ऐसा tandem गाना है या नहीं?
फिर ले आया दिल मजबूर क्या कीजिए रास न आया रहना दूर क्या कीजिए दिल कह रहा उसे मुकम्मल कर भी आओ वो जो अधूरी सी बात बाकी है वो जो अधूरी सी याद बाकी है वो जो अधूरी सी याद बाकी है
माँ ने कहा था कि बर्फी और मेरे बीच की खामोशी एक दिन हमारे प्यार को ही खामोश कर देगी. मैं और रंजीत बात तो करते थे पर दिल खामोश थे. हम शब्दों को सुनते थे पर उन्हें महसूस नहीं करते थे. हम हर लिहाज में पूरे थे पर हमारा प्यार अधूरा था. बर्फी अधूरा था पर उसका प्यार पूरा था.
करते हैं हम आज कबूल क्या कीजिए करते हैं हम आज कबूल क्या कीजिए हो गई थी जो हमसे भूल क्या कीजिए दिल कह रहा उसे मयसर कर भी आओ वो जो दबी सी आस बाकी है वो जो दबी सी आस बाकी है वो जो दबी सी आस बाकी है
आपको बोलना पड़ेगा क्या इस गाने का कोई tandem गाना है या नहीं? Faltani कैसा लगा?
अच्छा लगा.
You know who
तो.
sang this song, Faltani?
I have a feeling this is Javed Ali. Is it?
Shafqat
Shafqat Amanat Ali. It had to be one of them. I would have said.
Sam Ali.
Yeah, no, what?
How mean.
No, I was upset शफकत अमानत अली और जावेद अली. क्या random
Okay, at least you know who the rest of this particular song are.
गुलजार साहब.
Gee. Oh,
अमिताभ भट्टाचार्य.
oh no.
इरशाद
Father-
कामिल साहब.
No.
बर्फी अमिताभ भट्टाचार्य.
No, it's not. Syed Kadri.
Okay.
Oh my goodness, Father. Seriously, everything Amitabh Bachchan. My God. Anyway, but that's fine. Father, sometimes, like, you know, she gets
I like
it right.
Amitabh Bachchan. I
That's
can't help
okay,
myself.
that's fine. But the question whether this song has got a tandem song for itself.
कॉल करिएगा जल्दी जल्दी फटाक से 4089122479. क्या है यार अल्तु बाबा
Uh-huh.
बंधुओं को मालूम नहीं है क्या आज टोटली डिफरेंट थीम है. And
अच्छा
thank
मैं
you.
how about you? I give a hint, Father.
हाँ.
Tandem song.
हाँ.
मैं बोल दूं क्या है नहीं?
नहीं बोलना आगे मतलब what are you asking them?
I'm asking if there's one more song, one more version of the same song.
Who has sung it? Is that what you're asking?
Okay, if I say yes, then I gotta ask you who sang it, right?
Yeah,
Oh
obviously.
my God, what a... I gotta give you the first question in the first place. Okay, but then, हाँ है. Ah! The question is who has sung that song? Who has sung the tandem song to this song?
Yes.
Now, this particular person is very famous for singing this kind of reprise versions.
Yeah. That's true. Actually, everything they put his name. I mean, they put his name on all the songs.
Especially his reprise version.
I talked about it
A
also.
total Rondu personality.
Yeah.
Rondu voice, actually. But people love the kind of voice, I don't know why.
What?
That's okay, it's fine.
Huh.
Who is the person who has sung the other version of this? Number to call here 4089122479 4089122479. अगर आप सोचते हैं अरे यार so awesome, what's happening on the show? Well, you're not alone. Even we wonder sometimes what's happening on the show. Today is Tandem Tuesdays.
Right.
And we're talking about songs which actually are like tandem to itself. Like, you know, एक फिल्म में अगर एक गाना है, उसी फिल्म में वही गाना फिर से आता है.
Oh wow.
But a different total, you know, different, like a little bit of difference in the whole thing.
Exactly. And Harsh Srivastava ji, hello. आपको भी hi fi. Call करिएगा. Edwin Sharma जी, आपको भी hi. Chandrasekhara, nice to see you also on
बस तेरा
Facebook.
शो में बस इतना ही होता है, सबको हाई बोलती रहती है.
नहीं मैं वही बोल रही हूँ आप यहाँ पे कॉल करके हमें हाई बोलो ना.
अरे
हाई नहीं हाई फाई ऐसे
Okay,
कॉल
very good.
करने का.
Very good.
4089122479 पे जल्दी कॉल करो बच्चन बिकॉज वी आर वेटिंग. बेसब्री से हम लोग इंतजार कर रहे हैं.
हाँ.
वी आर होपिंग दैट कि आप भी जानते हो कुछ
हाँ.
म्यूजिक के बारे में ना.
हाँ.
तो दैट इज व्हाट वी आर डिस्कसिंग टुडे बंजन कि have you ever heard of a two timing of a song?
Two timing of a song? No, I've not heard of it.
Yes, I am telling you.
You're telling right now. That's
The
what's called
song
tandem.
is two timing.
So if somebody's two timing, it means they're tandeming.
Yeah, sort of. So it's well, you could put it any which way. Interpretation पे dependent है, right?
Yes.
तो एक गाना एक आदमी के लिए एक किस्म एक स्टाइल में आता है.
Yeah.
दूसरे हीरोइन के लिए बदल ही जाता है.
अरे वाह.
वही लेकिन उसी गाने का जो रूप है वही मेंटेन करता है.
Exactly.
वाह ये है tandem गाने.
But you talked about this tandem thing happening in movies in those days.
Yeah.
I think it was more of a filler kind of a situation where they want to fill time.
नहीं. It would actually be very contextual आल्तू बाबा. It was very like कि जैसे ना एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत गाना है जो हम लोग generally we listen to the male version of the song most of the time. उस जमाने में जैसे तूने बताया ना शायद ही female versions के इतने play time मिले हुए.
Because all was a male version, male dominated society.
Yeah, there's a very very romantic song. Okay.
Which only the female version you know of. No,
No.
you don't know the male version of it.
You know the male version of it, but you don't know that there is a female version of it.
I know which movie you're talking about.
Huh?
I know which movie you're talking about. Sarah Banu. Not Sarah Banu, Sadhna. Sadhna Rajendra Kapoor.
Rajendra Kapoor.
Rajendra Kumar.
No, I don't know which one you're talking
Oh,
about.
you don't know that? I gotta play that song for you.
I don't know which one you're talking about, but I'm talking about another one,
Oh, very good.
which is a very beautiful song. 1960 में release हुआ था ये movie, right? And खूबसूरत गाना है.
Yeah, is it खूबसूरत or खूबसूरत?
खूबसूरत गाना है. Beautiful गाना है. But we all remember the male version of it.
Yeah.
But this is the female version of it. सुनना है?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so we will line that up for you, Banjan. आपको कॉल करके बताना है कि मेल वर्जन किसने गाया है.
Yeah.
It's very very simple. Okay, here you go.
जिंदगी भर नहीं भूलेगी वो बरसात की रात एक अनजान इंसान
मधुबाला जी गा रही हैं लता मंगेशकर की आवाज में बुधजान फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर मूवी, अ ब्यूटीफुल टैंडम सॉन्ग। मेल वर्जन किसने गाया है?
हाय जिस रात मेरे दिल ने धड़कना सीखा, शोख जज्बात ने सीने में भड़कना सीखा, मेरी तकदीर से निकली वही, मेरी तकदीर से निकली वही सदमात की रात, जिंदगी भर नहीं भूलेगी वो बरसात की
Alright,
रात।
बंधु वेट ले फादर गुड दिन। नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है टैंडम ट्यूसडे में। Who's this? हेलो
पैम पैम, मैं राज।
राज लखोटिया जी, कैसे हैं सर?
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छी फिल्म चल रही है आपकी, बहुत वेरी नाइस।
अरे सर, थैंक यू सर, आपका प्यार है और कुछ नहीं है। तो बताइए, ये आज का शो पे हम लोग क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे थे कि टैंडम गाने,
हाँ।
राइट, ये अभी जो हमारी फादर ने गाना लगाया, इसका एक टैंडम गाना है फिल्म में, लेकिन उस टैंडम गाने को किसने गाया है?
और किस में फिल्माया गया है?
यस, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट।
बताता हूँ, आप पूरी हिस्ट्री बताता हूँ। बहुत अच्छी फिल्म थी ये, बरसात की रात,
हाँ
और मेरा फेवरेट गाना है, तो मैं गाता हूँ कभी कभी।
हाँ
गा दो।
पिक्चर में भारत भूषण पे शूट हुआ है ये,
हाँ
और इसको गाया है मोहम्मद रफी ने।
हाँ हाँ,
हाँ जी बिल्कुल।
वेरी गुड।
तो इसमें बोल अलग हैं, साहिल लुधियानवी साहब ने लिखे हैं इसके बोल, लेकिन जो मेल वर्जन में है वो अलग है और फीमेल वर्जन में भी अलग है। तो आप
yes.
हाँ, तो एक दो लाइन गुनगुना सकते हैं आप हमारे लिए जो मेल
इस
वर्जन?
दौरान गा सकता हूँ। मुखड़ा तो वही है,
हाँ
जिंदगी भर नहीं भूलेगी वो बरसात की रात, एक अनजान हसीना से मुलाकात की रात। उसका मुखड़ा मुझे अभी अंतरा में मैं अभी याद कर रहा हूँ, अच्छा अचानक दिमाग से चला गया मेरे, अभी याद है मेरे को।
नो वरीज, बट थैंक यू सो मच।
आए वो रेशमी जुल्फों से बरसता पानी, आए वो रेशमी जुल्फों से बरसता पानी, ये है उसका।
वाओ, या एब्सोल्युटली, आपने सही पहचाना एंड थैंक यू सो मच कि आपने कॉल किया और हमारे साथ शेयर किया। मैं तो डर ही गई थी, लोगों को समझ नहीं आ रहा है हमारा टैंडम थीम क्या है।
अरे समझ जाएंगे, और बंदू लोग वेट कर लाइन पे है। थैंक यू सो मच बराज जी फॉर कॉलिंग अस। सुनते रहिएगा और क्वेश्चन आएगा तो डेफिनेटली कॉल कीजिएगा। ओके,
प्लीज कॉल करिएगा। थैंक यू
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू सो मच सर। चलते हैं कॉलर के पास। नमस्कार, आपका हर स्वागत है पैम पैम के टैंडम ट्यूसडे में। हुज दिस?
हेलो
हाय पैम पैम, मीनाक्षी हियर।
मीनाक्षी जी, कैसे हैं आप?
एकदम बढ़िया है, आप बताइए।
मैं भी फर्स्ट क्लास हूँ। फालतू भी थोड़ा बहुत हमारे क्लास में आ रही है आजकल। उसका टेस्ट
मुझे
है
उसके
उसका।
क्लास
तो ऑलरेडी उस क्लास में है।
हाँ हाँ,
थैंक यू।
मतलब कौन सा वाला?
फालतू रानी एक क्लास अपार्ट है।
क्लास अपार्ट है। क्लास अपार्ट है। हाँ ठीक है चलो मीनाक्षी जी, आप उसको सपोर्ट करो ना, बुरा मान जाएगी वो।
रियली?
नहीं प्लीज, और एटलीस्ट दिखावा करो ऐसा प्लीज।
अच्छा दिखा रहा है।
हाँ
नहीं मीनाक्षी जी सच्ची में मेरे से बहुत
हाँ,
प्यार करती
सही बात है फालतू तो सही
वो
बात
तो
है।
पता है हमें।
हाँ सबको मालूम है यार, फालतू क्या तू बात कर रही
है।
है?
चल ठीक है,
क्या
तू अच्छा, आप मीनाक्षी जी पॉइंट क्यों चेंज कर रहे हो?
हाँ बताओ टैंडम गाने तो इस आपके लिए कौन गाना? कम ऑन। अच्छा बताओ ये कौन सा गाना है, किसने गाया है उस गाने को?
अच्छा पहले मैं वो वाला क्वेश्चन का आंसर करती हूँ जो बर्फी वाला सॉन्ग था।
हाँ
दिल होके मजबूर आया क्या कीजिए। तो मुझे नहीं पता था एक्चुअली, बट जैसे आपने क्लू दिया कि रोंदू सा सिंगर है तो अरिजीत सिंह होगा।
अरे वो आप क्या बोल रहे हो, उसको रोंदू बोला आपने? मेरे बराबर जा, इसने मीनाक्षी ने बोल दिया है।
तो जैसा हुलिया बताया था उस हिसाब से वो अरिजीत सिंह होना चाहिए।
नहीं हुलिया से नहीं है, लेकिन उनका गाने का स्टाइल भी ऐसा ही होता है, कभी कभी रो के गाते हैं। अच्छा बाद में आपके लिए ना एक और क्वेश्चन मैं ऑन द स्पॉट लगाने वाला आपके लिए, ठीक है?
अरे गूगली हो जाएगा।
अरे कुछ नहीं होगा, आप चिंता मत करो। अभी एक गाना लगाऊंगा, आपको बोलना पड़ेगा क्या इस गाने का कोई टैंडम गाना है, ठीक है? You gotta just guess if it's got a tandem song. This song is actually sung by Lata Mangeshkar, very popular song. आपको बस बोलना पड़ेगा क्या इस गाने का टैंडम गाना है या नहीं, ठीक है?
ठीक है।
Okay, here you go.
मेरी मुहब्बत की कसम
ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग है फलरानी, वेरी नाइस सॉन्ग. सो मीनाक्षी जी बताइए ना, ये गाने का कोई टैंडम गाना है?
हाँ बिल्कुल है.
हेलो.
ये मोहम्मद रफी साहब ने गाया हुआ है और ये पिक्चराइज्ड है राजेंद्र कुमार पे.
अच्छा, गूगल मार दिया क्या?
नहीं, इसका ये फायदा है क्योंकि गीतमाला में जब पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं तो ये इन्फॉर्मेशन वहाँ से मिली है.
वेरी गुड. आई एम वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड. थैंक यू सो मच. आपने प्लग भी किया हमारे गीतमाला के बारे में.
झगड़ा हुआ ना उसके बारे में उस टाइम.
इसके बारे में झगड़ा हुआ ना?
इसके बारे में
हुआ था एग्जैक्टली. झगड़ा हुआ था तो
वहीं से मुझे इंस्पिरेशन मिला टैंडम ट्यूसडे का.
कभी कभार देखो, आज उसने कॉल भी नहीं, आज लॉगिन भी नहीं किया उसने.
हाँ,
जिसके साथ झगड़ा हुआ था वो आज लॉगिन भी नहीं किया.
शायद लॉगिन करी थी फिर और लॉग आउट कर दिया.
यार देख के डर के बारे लॉगिन नहीं किया.
हमने थोड़ी ना बोला दीपा के साथ झगड़ा हुआ था.
हम कभी नहीं बोलते.
कभी नहीं बोला.
नहीं कभी नहीं बोलते.
नहीं, मीनाक्षी ने बता दिया अभी. ओह माय गॉड मीनाक्षी, हाउ कैन से दैट यार. But anyway, Deepa log in किया आज. I don't know why. Okay, anyway, doesn't matter. So, but very good. So congratulations, 100% right. Despite the movie had a tandem song written totally different for a female perspective.
Right.
That was a beautiful thing about those days. Right? I think this music was Naushad Saab. Naushad music. I don't know who the lyricist was. Faltoni might know more.
Naushad, it had to be either Sahil Ludhiani. At that time, I don't know, yeah. How would I know?
Okay.
Yeah.
अच्छा, now you'll say the word I know.
How would I know? It had to be like Shailendra or, you know, one of those people.
नहीं, now you'll say Avlan. Otherwise, तुक्का मरती रहती है.
क्या? नहीं, आजकल के देखो, आजकल के जो लिरिसिस्ट हैं, गिने चुने ही अच्छे लिरिसिस्ट हैं.
हाँ, कुमार है ना उसमें.
नहीं, उसको मार.
आगे दीपा कैसी है?
दीपा आगे
सब ठीक ठाक. हाँ, नहीं वो फेसबुक पे बोल रही मेरे बारे में क्या बात हो रही है. अच्छा, बाद में मीनाक्षी जी बात किया, आपने बात नहीं किया. मीनाक्षी जी प्लीज बताओ उसको.
अरे नहीं यार, मेरे महबूब के जो लिरिसिस्ट थे शकील बदायूनी जी हैं.
मुझे मालूम था, लेकिन just trying to see if you can Google.
हाँ, तेरे को मालूम था.
तो सही में गूगल कर लिया आपने ना?
इसके बारे में हमारे आना जी ने शो किया था, याद है?
Yes, of course मुझे मालूम है. व्हाट इज फाल्तोनी? अच्छा, उल्टा मेरे को बोल रही है तू. वेरी गुड यार. बट मीनाक्षी जी अच्छा लगा आपने कॉल किया. थैंक यू सो मच. देखो आप बहुत से कॉल करते हो, हमारे बंधु लोग लोकल है यहाँ पे.
हाँ, देखो वो कॉल नहीं कर रहे हैं.
देखा, लेकिन आप कॉल करते रहना प्लीज.
नहीं, वो क्या है ना मीनाक्षी जी, जो आपको ना म्यूजिक की परख आप ना गीत माला में शामिल हो.
यस.
जैसे हमारे राज लखोटिया जी हैं, वो भी, उनको भी म्यूजिक की इतनी अच्छी परख है.
आपका म्यूजिक का परख है, यही तो फर्क है.
गुड वन.
चल कुछ भी. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कॉलिंग मीनाक्षी जी. सुनते रहेगा और ऐसे मजेदार किस्से आपको सुनाएंगे. ठीक है.
Sure.
Thank you so much for calling in.
नमस्कार, आपका हार्ट स्वागत है टैंडम ट्यूसडे में. Who's this? Hello. Tandem. Hello. Hi, Pam.
This is Kiran calling from San Francisco, California, a regular listener.
Oh my God, Kiran ji.
This is my first time calling you.
Wow. Kiran ji, tell us one thing. How long have you been listening to us?
For almost a year now.
A year now. And why do you love our show so much?
Because the generosity you show towards the people and also the fun we have on the radio together.
Oh, so sweet.
You have some great taste in radio program, Kiran ji. That's
a little bit about me.
Yeah, please. Yeah, go ahead.
Ancestry from India, born and raised in Fiji Islands.
Yes.
Under the British Crown system.
Oh, wow.
I'm an immigrant. American by naturalization.
Okay.
I'm watching the full George Floyd's funeral services and all the good things. And could you also know that some of us who have medical conditions are not able to use the app and all the good things you say? So I'm really appreciative when you gave your number, and that's why I'm calling you.
Thank you so
and
much.
I'm based in San Francisco, and most of my life has been banking. And also in real estate. I still practice real estate. So I'm really grateful that your audio show is on, and it comes on. I put it on at 9:30 a.m.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much for those kind words.
Yeah.
Kiran ji, really appreciate it.
Also, please mention racism and that all lives matter, and please take it one step further to discuss the situation, and also people with disabilities
Yes.
in the healthcare system.
Yes. We
And
told.
namaste.
Yes,
Namaste.
namaste
Thank
to you
you.
too.
Namaste to you too.
Nisam bula to you.
Nisam bula.
Nee, namaste.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Namaste is fine. You
Yeah.
can say Jisamode actually.
Yeah.
But thank you so much, Kenji, for calling us, and we really
Okay.
appreciate it. Thank you so much.
And keep doing the great work you're doing.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so
Happy
much.
You
Thank
too.
you so
Happy
much.
days.
Thank you so much. Happy days. Thank
Happy
you.
days.
And of course, Binjan, oh, that was
That's
so
so sweet.
sweet
I
that
know.
she actually called just to say how much she's enjoying our show.
Thank you, Kiranji. And of course, yes. And we really, on our morning shows, we always talk about the current issues, and we also make sure we all are aware of the privileges that we have and the lack of that, and also lack of other people as well. Hence, we push people to become allies.
Well,
And
if you actually were able to watch this, Kiranji, I want to take your attention to this. Can you stand up straight, Alto
I
Baba?
am always standing up. Oh my
Okay,
God, because we
he's-
try to say like I don't stand up straight.
Yeah.
There's
Look
something-
at his T-shirt. If you saw his T-shirt, you would see.
My superpower is being an ally.
Yeah, his superpower is that he's an ally. In fact, we are involved with an organization that works with individuals who are developmentally different. The world may call them disabled, but we call them disadvantaged or developmentally
abled.
different. Yeah. Well, we say developmentally different. Ability is again very subjective.
Yeah.
Right? Each of us हमारे depends on कि क्या situation है, कहाँ पे कैसी ability चाहिए, किस चीज़ के लिए, और that is very subjective. कि differently abled ये सब बोल सकते हैं, लेकिन it's not really differently abled. It's just that they're different.
Yeah.
तो क्या हुआ? Just like how somebody is of a different race, different color, different creed, different caste. Does it really matter? Because at the end of the day, we're all human beings, right?
Yes,
we're all
we are.
living beings.
And very true, you brought up a topic of racism. Yes, it is still there. It's there in our community as well. We know about it. We don't talk about it, unfortunately, but we need to talk about it.
Yeah.
And yes, I agree with you. The best way to actually combat racism is awareness. And
Yeah.
exactly what we do at Pragnya. Kiranji, thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to plug Pragnya again.
Yeah.
Pragnya is all about awareness. And this organization called Pragnya.org, go get information about that. Awareness is nothing but learning more about things. Most of the things of racism comes out of lack of awareness, people just bringing prejudgment about people and not looking deeper into a person as opposed to looking superficially and making their own wrong judgments about things, right?
Right.
Prejudice leads to racism and everything. So hence we're trying to see if we can dispel that by getting more information about people. And that's how we're talking about our culture so much, because we want people to know about it.
Exactly.
Embrace our culture, be proud of it. That's what we're going to do.
Exactly.
But
so
thank you so much for your call, Kiranji.
They really matters. And दूसरी चीज़ ये भी है कि आपने एक बहुत अच्छी point you brought up, which kind of ties into our Tandem Tuesday. You know how, Alto Baba?
Yes, Faldwani,
Think
tell me.
about it. If somebody is neurotypical, the world is always structured in such a way. If you look at it, the harmony of the universe, Panjan, there will be somebody who will be complementing that person in some which way.
Oh my God.
That's
are you
in tandem. That is, everything is in tandem.
Are you trying to tell me that there always is something like the yin and the yang of things?
Yes.
She's talking about duality, but it's just, oh my God, Faldwani, spiritual
Exactly.
talk right now.
That is what Tandem Tuesdays is all about. Bandujan, the horse in front, the horse in the back. But how do they go in tandem?
Horse in front, horse in the
In
back.
a carriage, when
Hey,
they're
that's the
pulling-
description I gave, by the way.
Yeah, that's what he gave.
Thank you, Faldwani.
That's because I want you to understand it, Altu. That's why I'm telling you.
You want me to understand something which I made people understand? Faldwani, a little bit. I need the tandem wheel right now. I'm going to fall off. Very good. Faldwani, what do you have next for our bandus? Okay, I placed the president thing and people actually identified the song.
You played Mere Mehboob Mujhe Teri Mohabbat Ki Kasam, right? That was sung by Lata Mangeshkar ji again, Alto?
Lata ji, yes.
Okay. Okay. There's one. But did we get the answer for Fir Le Aaya Dil?
Yeah, she gave it. No, well, Meenakshi ji gave her right answer. Deepa didn't know the answer. It's fine. But Meenakshi knows it, right? Deepa will not know the answer for any of the questions today.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
अच्छा दीपा वेलकम क्या कर रही थी इतनी देर सो हम आपको बता रहे हैं कि आज टैंडम ट्यूसडे चल रहा है आई वांट टू प्ले अ वर्जन ऑफ दिस सॉन्ग एंड ऑलमोस्ट एवरी सिंगल मैन who sings,
Every single man who sings.
every single man, Indian man who sings,
Thank
or
you for putting the word almost there.
Huh?
Thank you for putting the word almost, not
What
giving
is-
generalization. Just almost, right?
almost every
Yeah.
single man who sings would have sung this song at some juncture, no matter whether they're from this generation, whether they're from like the 90s, 2000 generation, or whether they're from like 60s, 70s generation.
So, situationally you're talking about.
This particular Gana,
Situationally they would have sung the song.
No.
Or could be at a particular party or a karaoke or
Anywhere,
something.
karaoke, party,
someplace.
whatever,
I
right?
agree with
They
you.
would
Yeah.
attempt. Everybody would have attempted the song, but I'm playing you the tandem version of the song.
Okay.
Okay, and this tandem version is sung by Lata Mangeshkar again. Not very popular in the sense that it doesn't get a lot of play.
Yeah.
We want to know who is the singer who has sung the popular version of the song. Which movie is it? I didn't know that there was a female version of the song till
What?
Mahima ji sang it.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, she said that this is a tandem version of the song. So suniega, I'm playing you the tandem version that our darling Mahima ji used to sing so beautifully. So this is Lata Mangeshkar की आवाज में the tandem version from which movie? 408-912-2479 पे आपको बताना है.
नमस्कार आपका हार्ट स्वागत है पैम पैम के टैंडम ट्यूसडे में. Who's this? Hello.
Pam Pam, this is Satish here.
Hi Satish
580.
bhai. Welcome. 580 yeah? 880 yeah now. 580?
580.
Very good. So खुल गया क्या? सिम?
अरे ये 580 कभी सुधरेगा नहीं.
हाँ.
अच्छा, अभी भी ट्रैफिक जैम है?
Hey, come on yaar. I actually drove. Well, actually no. You're right. I didn't drive at the time when we were on air.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, you should have driven night 12 o'clock. Then you would have gone past.
No,
No
man,
रे,
we
we
went
went
around 8:30.
7:30, 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
All ही पड़ा था.
Yeah.
I was like,
Yeah.
I used to.
It's
All I
better
could,
now, but sometime back it was bad.
you know, I was just thinking. Only thing came to my mind when on 580 was like, why was Satish telling us crowded? How can it be crowded? I was wondering, like, you know.
Yeah.
And then dawned on me, still shelter in place going on.
Yeah.
But anyway, good to hear you after a long time, man. What, 85 days?
No. I think I spoke to you couple of weeks back.
Yeah. In between, you called us 4 weeks ago.
Yeah.
I remember that day. Nowadays, it's become like, you know, rarity listening to your voice and all.
Yeah.
I'm counting those days.
Yeah.
But good, Satish, come on, tell us this particular song. You got to give us the answer.
Yeah, it's a simple one. I thought it would be difficult, but yeah. It's Sharmili with Kishore Kumar.
Aha, very good. Now we want to know the lyrics of the Antra. Or give us the lyrics of one of the Antras in Kishore's song.
Yes, please.
It starts off with Hilte Hain Guliya.
Okay, and then?
Yeah, but give us the Antra. The lyrics of the Antra are different, right?
हिलते हैं गुलिया, इनके बिछड़ने को दिल. Yeah.
And then what?
I
Andhra?
don't know.
Hey, by the way, you know what, Falzwadi?
Huh.
The shelter in place has got able singing also nowadays. You know, he never sing properly to us, like, you know, bhav karta. Aajkal bahut gaa raha hai.
I'm just trying to recollect, you know.
You sing well,
Navigating
man.
through the traffic, what was it, you know?
Antra. Kal rahe na rahe, मौसम ये प्यार का. करूं कि ना रुके डोला बहार. I was singing the words, not singing the words. I sang the words for you actually.
I don't know why.
No,
but yeah,
don't
Shashi
worry.
Kapoor and Rakhi.
Yeah, no worries. I actually sang the words along with you. You couldn't hear it, so it's fine. I sang the words for you. But good.
I'm navigating through two super trucks, so that's yeah.
Dude, drive
I'm
safely.
playing tango with the trucks here.
Yeah, but drive your tandem with trucks. It seems. Good one.
I'm in tandem with the truck and
Very
playing
good.
tango with the truck.
Very good.
Yeah.
So drive safely, Satish. Thank you so much for calling us. Unfortunately, we don't have any gifts to give you today because sponsors and all are holding very tightly. I think so.
After a long time, I'm listening to very good songs.
Thanks, man.
Eh,
Next song.
hello. What after
Please
long?
continue.
He's not been listening to our shows, man.
Hello.
Yeah, he listens only when he's in the car. That's why. But thank you so much, Satish, for calling us. Drive safe.
Yeah. Thank
you
you.
so
Right.
much.
Take care.
Thanks,
Take
man.
care.
Namaskar, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम के टैंडम ट्यूसडे में. Who's this?
Hi, this is Madhu here.
मधु जी, कैसे हैं आप?
कैसे हैं मधु जी?
बहुत बढ़िया है.
हाँ जी, तो बताइए क्या आप जानते हैं कि
हाँ, ये ना मेरे ख्याल में वो थी मूवी मिली
Okay.
राखी और शशि कपूर की.
Very
हाँ
good, very
जी.
good, very good,
हाँ, I think so. मेरा गेस लगाया.
very good, very good. You're right, 100%
गाना
right.
बहुत मशहूर था.
Yes, yes.
हाँ,
मशहूर
बिल्कुल.
है, अभी भी है वो actually.
अभी भी है, अभी भी कोई भी किशोर कुमार के भक्त को बोलो.
नहीं, कोई किशोर कुमार भक्त ये गाते नहीं है. किशोर कुमार भक्त always sad song गाते हैं.
नहीं, ये गाना गाते हैं
नहीं
यार.
गाते रे. It was going correct to that time. Actually, they don't. They only go stick to safe songs like what's the song? ये जो मोहब्बत है, they'll sing that song happily. All sad songs they sing happily, but not sing these kind of nice songs because इस गाने में they'll sing that song. Correct, they'll sing that song. And they'll sing the song which is what's the song? एक बहुत sad song है किशोर कुमार का ना.
कौन सा वाला?
बॉम्बे का इसमें he walks on the beach.
जिंदगी एक
No, the sad song, right? Zindagi Ka Safar is not a sad song. It's not a.
जिंदगी का सफर.
No, man. Hey.
जिंदगी बहार नहीं भूलेगी.
Some sad song they'll sing. Not sing this song, they'll not sing.
Yeah,
People
really?
rarely will attempt this song.
Please, any Kishore Kumar bhakt loves this song.
They'll
As
love
soon
it
as the
song, they'll not try the song, Faltani.
Acha.
I know this. We have actually done so many shows.
Okay.
International shows we've done so
I
many.
know.
But anyway, thank you so much, Madhu ji, for calling us. 100% right. आपके लिए मिलेगा ढेर सारा प्यार मोहब्बत, ठीक है?
Thank you very much. Love you also. आपको भी बहुत सारा ढेर प्यार.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for calling in. Have a beautiful, fantastic evening.
All right, Faltani. I have one last song which is going to be going on question for everybody.
Ale?
If somebody calls right now, great. I have a song sung by Alka Yagnik.
Kya?
Yes.
Okay.
Now you got to tell me, Banujan, I'm going to take the first caller who's going to call today
Okay.
and who's going to give out the answer to me, right?
Uh,
I'm going to play the song. You
Huh.
got to tell me who has sung the tandem song.
huh.
Okay?
Okay.
Banujan, number to call here 408-912-2479. This song is actually a song sung by Alka Yagnik.
408-912-2479. जल्दी कॉल करिएगा.
408-912-2479 पे.
मेरे अंगने में तुम्हारा क्या काम है. मेरे अंगने में तुम्हारा क्या काम है. जो है नाम वाला, अरे जो है नाम वाला वही तो बदनाम है. मेरे अंगने में तुम्हारा क्या काम है. जिसकी बीवी लंबी उसका भी बड़ा नाम है. जिसकी बीवी लंबी उसका भी बड़ा नाम है. कोठे पे लगा दो, अरे कोठे से लगा दो. सीढ़ी का क्या काम है. कोठे से लगा दो. सीढ़ी का क्या काम है.
कॉल कीजिएगा, टाइम अभी है नहीं है ना पता नहीं. I got answers on Facebook though. What do you think?
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Raj Lokan jolly give the answer.
हाँ.
क्या बोलती है तू?
वो कह रहे हैं अमिताभ बच्चन. Is that right?
100% right for today. And हमको जाते-जाते हम लोग close out करेंगे with अमिताभ बच्चन song. What do you think?
Do you want to play the Amitabh Bachchan song or you play the तू जो मिला यार? उसका आंसर नहीं आया ना?
तू जो मिला का आंसर आ गया रे.
नहीं आया. केके का ओरिजिनल वर्जन किसी ने बताया नहीं.
Okay, brother. We played Papon's version, but this is the original version of KK. इसी के साथ हम लोग sign off करने वाले हैं आज का show से.
Yes.
And this is the kind of a happy version of the song, I suppose. तू जो मिला.
Yes.
That was the reprise version.
That was the reprise version in Papon's voice, Manajan. This is KK's version, which is actually the song that runs throughout the movie.
Yeah.
इसी के साथ good night
शब्बा खैर.
and a प्यार भरा.
आशियाना मेरा साथ तेरे